So welcome to the lecture. Today we are going to discuss a problem on convex hull. It's a geometrical problem. We are going to discuss convex hull under the algorithmic strategy called brute force algorithm. And here we must understand what is convex first. Okay, there is a polygon P. A polygon P is said to be convex if P is not intersecting and for any 2 points P and Q, on the boundary of P, segment P and Q lies entirely inside P. Okay, I will explain with an example. So here this is an example for a convex. Here the convex boundaries are, these are the convex boundary points. So like a P, Q, or S, likewise the points, that for example P1, P2, P3, these are the points. If you form the convex, all the other points in the plane should inside the polygon. Okay, that is called convex. This is not a convex because there is no intersecting. See here, P is not intersecting. P is representing a point. The points will not intersecting. If it intersect the polygon, that is non-convex. That is not a convex. Okay, so convex is a set of points in a plane called convex. For any 2 points P and Q in the set of entire segment with the endpoints P and Q belongs to the set. So this is the definition for convex hull. So general problem about convex hull. So see this example. I will explain this with example. Convex is a set of points. Okay, so this is the convex. The convex formed with the convex points formed a polygon, right? So it's a set of points. Convex. This is a convex. This is also convex. Convex have a set of points. Okay, in the plane called convex. If for any 2 points P and Q, any 2 points P and Q in the set, the entire line segment belongs to P and Q. See here, example, here the set of convex is a set of points. What are the points here? P7, P6, P5, P1, P3. These points form a convex. So convex is a set of points. If and only if points P and Q, for example points P7 and P6 in the set, the entire line segment belongs to the set. That is, if you consider P7 and PQ or P6 or P and Q, the entire line segment should be connected. So that is called a convex. Okay. So here I am written the output as in a clockwise order: P7, P6, P5, then P5, P1 and P3. Okay. So here this will be in a plane. You consider this is the plane S. Okay. If S is a convex, convex hull is obviously X itself. Okay. You must have a convex in the plane X. If S is a set of 2 points. Okay. Consider if suppose this is a plane S, have set of 2 points in the line segment connecting these 2 points. So this is a convex. If S is a set of 3 points, and not on the same line, okay, it's not like this. Have a 3 points but not in the same line means that is triangle. Okay, right? It's a convex. That convex hull is a triangle with the vertices at 3 points given. Here the convex is a triangle. Okay. Then brute force solution. So how to solve this convex problem using a brute force solution? Okay. So here consider this P7. Then this is P1, P3, P7, P6, P5, and inner have P8, P2 and P4. Okay, so here a line segment connecting 2 points P and J of set of n points, okay, is a part of its convex hull boundary. if and only if all the other points of the sets lies on the same side of the straight line through these points. Okay, you can repeat this strategy for all the points given. Okay, explain the first point of brute force with the example. So here I am going to start from here, or P1. I'm start from P1. So in the brute force approach is a straightforward approach. So we tried all possible solution here. So I'm starting from P1. I'm try to make a line with all these points given. So without intersecting, I want to find the points. So either while considering the P and while considering the boundary values, you must check whether points should be, if you take P and P5, check the remaining points, whether all the points are inside, all the points are inside this boundary. If inside the boundary means you choose this line. Next, P3, P1 and P4, check the remaining points are inside this one. So you confirm these boundaries. Next, take this and make a line as possible to this remaining part. So you can choose the boundary values in the same manner. You can try all the possible ways. Okay. You repeat for all these points. Next, the straight line. Okay, here there is a formula. Here we are finding a line, boundary line, so that we are going to use a formula straight line through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the coordinate plane. Can we define the following equation? This is a line equation. Everyone know this line equation, ax plus by equal to c, where a can be defined by a equal to y2 minus y1, b is equal to x1 minus x2. Okay, then formula for finding c is equal to x1 in x2 minus y1 x2. So here the condition is ax plus by is greater than c or less than c, lies on the other half of the line. If suppose it's equal to c, lies on the same line. Okay, there is a pseudocode for finding the convex hull, the given plane for each point Pi. The Pi may be P1, P2 up to P7. For each point Pj, where Pi and Cartesian product with Pj, Pi Cartesian product with Pj, compute the line segment for Pi and Pj. Okay, then compute a line segment. Then after that, for every other point, so here we construct a line using Pi, Pj. Next you consider the other points. There will be take it as a Pk. Then you check whether the P1 and whether the Pk is intersecting with Pi and Pj. So that Pk is not equal to Pi and Pk is not equal to Pj means check. For each Pk is on the side of the line segment. Okay. So if it not, label Pi and Pj in the convex hull. Okay. Pi, Pj in the convex hull. So here we'll see with the example. So what is the application of this convex hull? Where it is applied? Okay, so I told that we are going to form a polygon. So where it is applied in the real world application? For example, aircraft navigation. In an aircraft navigation, you want to perform a route map for the plane. So what angle it will be start to fly. So what are the boundary values? So if you consider this is a flight, okay, we'll consider this is a flight. Okay, so for the flight have a boundary values. Okay, so inside the boundary only it will travel through the it want to travel. Okay, so then to fix the boundary values of this aircraft navigation, we apply this algorithm convex hull. So in this boundary line only it will perform the operation. So it's one of the real world application of this convex hull problem.